Hello, welcome to this video. This is the second video on set of a circle, and in this video we're going to talk about the radius of a set of a circle. Now let us start by introducing what a radius of a circle is. Radius of a circle, as you know, is also the radius of the sector, and radius is any distance from the center of the circle to any part of the circumference. And as you know that a sector has two radii. Of course, this is one radii, and then this is also the second radii. So this is the radius and the second radius, and then that gives us the radii of a circle of a sector. So if we extract this sector out, we are going to have something like this. As you can see here, this is one radius, and then this is the second radius. This is the angle that the sector subtend, and then this forms the arc of the sector. So this is how we can get sector of a circle. It's just these two side of the sector. So we are going to derive a formula for finding the radius of a sector. First of all, we know that sector is part of a circle. So the formula for finding the radius of a sector can be derived from the area of a sector. So first of all, we're going to have the formula for finding the area of a sector, which is area is equals to theta over 360 times pi r square. So from this formula, we're going to make our r the subject of the formula, and then we have our formula for finding the radius of a sector. As you can see, this formula can also be written as, by the time you multiply this by this, you're going to have pi uh, theta pi r square. If you multiply them, you're going to have theta pi r square over 360. And then from this place, we can probably put here over 1. Then we can now cross multiply. Cross multiply, you start with this place. So we have this side times 1 is going to give us theta pi r square is equals to area times 360. So how do we now get our radius? We are going to divide both sides by the theta pi. So divide here by theta pi and divide here by theta times pi, or theta pi. So here theta cancel theta, pi go with theta pi, and then we're now left with radius is equals to area times 360 over theta pi. Then how do we get our r now, not r square? You take the square root of both sides. Take the square root of this side and take the square root of this side. So as we see that the square will go with this square root will take away the square, and then we'll be left with radius. So and then radius is going to become the square root of area times 360 over theta pi. So this is how to find the radius of a circle. Is equals to area times 360 over pi theta or theta pi. Now we are going to move on by solving the problem on finding the radius of a sector. And here we have a question that says that a sector of area 99 meters square subtend subtended an angle of 140 degree. Calculate the radius of the sector of if pi is 22 over 7. So from this place, we are going to find our radius. So if you are to draw the sector, it's going to be like this. The angle that is subtend is 140 degree, and the radius is unknown, and our pi is, and the area is 99 meters square. Now we are going to write area is 99 meters square, and our theta is 140 degree. Now we have to find the radius. So radius from what we just did is the square root of area times 360 over theta times pi. So radius is going to become, our area is 99 meters square. 99 meters square multiplied by 360 all over the theta, that is the angle subtended by the sector, is 140 degree multiplied by the pi, which is 22 over 7, and then you square root everything. So our radius is going to be what? First of all, this 7 has to multiply up here. We are going to have the square root of 99 meters square times 360 times 7 all over 140 degree times 22. So 0 will go with 0, and also we can also simplify further by 11 can go into this place. 11 into 22 is 2. 11 into 99 is 9. 11 here is 9. 11 here is 2. And then 7 can go into this. 7 into 7 is 1. 7 into 14 is 2. And then 2 can go into 36. 2 into 2 is 1. 2 into 36 is 18. And then 2 can also go into 18 again. 2 into 2 is 1. And 2 in 18 is 9. So at the end, we are now left with the square root of 9 meter square times 9. This is going to give us 81 meter square. So if you want to find the square root of 80, we find the square root of 81. So our radius is going to give us 9 meter. So the radius of that circle is actually 9 meter. So thank you for watching this video. Join us in the next video on sector of a circle. And in the next video, we're going to talk about we're going to be talking about the angle of a sector. So join us there. Subscribe to the channel for further video. Thank you.